Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage to your Southwest Airlines flight. First, go to the southwest.com and navigate to Manage Reservations on the left-hand side. Enter your confirmation code, first name and last name, then click Search. This will bring up your flight details. From here, you can add extra baggage, check in online, print your boarding pass, and even add special services like traveling with pets. You can also explore other options such as upgrading your flight for priority boarding, same-day changes, or in-flight Wi-Fi. Remember, Southwest allows 2 check bags for free. But if you need additional baggage, you can add it here and pay the required fee. And that's it. That's how to add extra baggage to your Southwest Airlines flight. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.